Imagine waking up in the morning with a cup of coffee and having this beautiful view, and most importantly, in the city of Belmopan. You got it right. These lots are located in Las Lomas, Belmopan. This development consists of 16 lots, where 6 of them has been sold already. Important note is that this lot has direct access to electricity, water, and internet. Property size varies, with the most common one being 75 feet by 135 feet. The purchase price is at 70,000, and don't worry, we have a customizable payment plan. Just let us know what works for you.